Hello, it's Nicole Martel here with My Creative Scrapbook. Today I'm going to be sharing the February main kit with you. It's a fun kit. It features Simple Stories Take Note collection that just came out in the last few months, and I'm going to go ahead and share the kit with you. And it has some other goodies in there too, and it's super fun. I think it's going to be a great kit for documenting those special moments. And I'm going to be using mine to document my favorite memories from 2025. And to begin, I'm going to share the cut file that comes in with the kit. You can back that up with pattern paper. We have foil bits and lots of pretty ephemera, banners, birds, butterflies, and then we have this fun heart stencil and the chipboard pieces. They are always fun. I love the big hello. And then we have a sticker sheet. Lots of fun things on here. Sentiments, titles, stickers. It's just great. And then here are the patterns that come with the kit. I love all the patterns in this collection. They're just so beautiful. And this camera print is one of my favorites. Super fun. And we're just going to show you the papers that come in with the collection. The flowers are pretty, and I like that these are all double-sided, so you get plenty of patterns. The black and white polka dots. I love this butterfly print paper. It's one of my favorites as well. And then you got some pencils. It's fun. And then we have the cut-apart tag sheets, which are always my favorite. And then you have some journaling blocks that you can cut these out and add them to your layouts or your little mini books. And then we have 3x4 journaling cards. And then we also have the 4x6 journaling cards. And I'll be playing with these as well this month. And it's a fun kit. Grab your kit today before it sells out. I'll have the link in the description if you're interested. And thank you for watching. Take care.